Hello. Hello, hello. Anybody out there? Anybody out there? Hello, hello. Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. How are you today? It seems String Elements is working this time. Nice. Very nice. So? Okay, that's fine. I'm also kinda so. Not particularly tired, not particularly rested. I see. Your boss is going to surgery. Well, I suppose that means you need to do quite a lot of stuff. Yeah. Yeah, I suppose he wants everything sorted before the surgery, which I find a bit weird. One would think you would prioritize the surgery over work, not the other way around. Yeah. Oh, the surgery is tomorrow? Well, that's unexpected. Then it's probably an emergency injury or something of the sort. Because last time I had surgery, it took me a whole month and a half before I actually had the surgery. Yeah. And that was fairly quick, mainly because I'm not afraid of needles. So I can do as many tests as I need without worrying at all. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let me start with the usual Russian roulette. Let's see what we did today from the Steam Workshop. Oh, what is this? A Snorlax hoodie. That's, I suppose, kinda cute. So you have to do part of his work while he is recovering. I suppose that's technically a good thing. That means technically issue with the fans. Yeah, the mode is kinda wrong. The fangs should be on the bottom part, not on the top. They look more like little horn, like this. The nice thing about having to do your boss's work is that it means you can actually replace him if ever the opportunity arises. Yeah. Okay, let me switch to the development screen real quick.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, let me grab the Snorlax hoodie. Here we go. Yeah, the fang should be on the bottom instead on the top. Yeah, that doesn't look correct at all. Okay, we're back here. We have our code. I have my zoom. Still functional, which is nice. Let's see. Today, what do we have to do? Let me see. I'm going to check my list of stuff to do. We need to make the attack animations. Okay. Then let's see. We have this guy, this little guy, that is our current enemy in the moment. So let's see what can we do now. So we have the sprite. Enemies will block the movement. And I have the idol also. So I'm going to make the folder for attack. And what I'm going to do is going to select all of these and duplicate that. And then I just grab this, move it over here, and close that. Okay, what was my code for attack again? Let me see, I need the scripts, enums, prefix for attack is ATK. Okay, ATK. Good to know. So what I'm going to do here is basically modify the name 80k. The same for this one. We remove that. 80k. $80k. $80k. Okay, that's for the attack. So let's see. First, we're going to work with this. Currently, this is the idle animation, right? For the attack, I think I'm going to probably I'm going to grab the default, this one. We start here, and then instead of going down like this, let me grab this actually. We have this. I'm going to remove this and just that. So set it in place. I'm going to fix all of this. Like that. Just to make sure everything is on the same size. Okay, so what I'm going to do is we start with this guy like this, and I'm going to increase the size by 1 each time. Actually by 2. Right? So what I'm going to do is set this here. And then 2 more. Set it there. Like that. And then what I'm going to do is reduce this by 4 for the next one, and by 4 again. Okay, we're here. We go here. This was how much? 34 again? No, it was 36. 38. Okay, 38. Let me delete the rest real quick so it doesn't confuse me. We go to 34. And then we drop to 30. And then we drop to 26. And to 22. And maybe that's a bit too small, maybe. Let's say on 26. This one I will set to 30. Okay. And this is our attack animation. I'm going to set it to 4 frames. And probably I need to remove 1 frame here. Maybe something like this. A bit faster. Yeah, like this. This looks good. Okay. Now I just need to adjust the hat. Let's see. I'm going to remove the hat from these ones. This two looks funny, so I'm going to leave it like that. Okay, so I grab this half and I'm going to place it right there. Okay. I grab that and then I got this. Like so. Right now I'm just setting the size of the hat to the correct wideness. I'm going to fill the center in a bit. I just want this to be the right size. I can actually copy this, I believe. Like so. And copy this one over here. Okay. Then I can grab this and just fill in the void. This one maybe needs a bit of adjustment over here. And that looks like that. Okay. I think that looks pretty nice as an attack. So what I'm going to do now is over here, I'm going to delete this one. And then what I'm going to do is duplicate this one and just call it the other way. And I open it, and this one, what I'm going to do is just hide the mouth and the eyes, and we have our little thing. But I also am going to mirror this like that. Okay, and that looks like this. It looks good, really? Okay, so we have two of the attacks, huh? I also need okay, how do I do this? So we have this one, right? So I'm going to work with this. And what I'm going to do is the same trick. I'm going to grab the little ball. We clear this. Actually, no. We clear these ones. Okay. Now that we have this, I'm going to use the shadow. So we have this and that. Okay, it's like this. Let me hide this one so I can actually see what I'm doing. And I'm going to go up two for this one. And then another two. And once more. And here what I'm going to do is go down 4 and go down another 4 and another 4 and we stay here. Okay, so we start here. I need to fix the hat. And again. Ah shit, my mouse is dying. I need to buy a new mouse. What looks like balloon? The octopus? That's the idea. I want them to look like balloons. I want to make them look like my mouse died. like they are what is called soaking in air. Okay, let me change this. This is for my webcam. This is the other stuff. Okay, I need to buy a new mouse for sure. Okay, that's work. In question mark. Okay, this needs to be move up a little bit. Ah, not you. You. Okay, there we go. Let's set this to faster. What was the setting over here? Speed 8. Okay. Let's see. I will set to the same speed. And I believe I deleted one of these, right? So I just kill this one. Yeah, that looks good actually. Now that I have that done, I'm going to do this. Over here, I'm going to delete the opposite one. And this one I'm going to duplicate. Rename this. Open it. And what I'm going to do is move this to the other side. And I'm going to mirror the image or not frames. That way we have the opposing attack. There we go. Now probably my mouse is that because I believe in the last 2 or 3 days I have a lot of moments where the electricity got cut off. That's probably the reason. Yeah. It didn't charge enough. Okay, so we have the attack and animations. Now let's see. I'm going to close this before I start making mistakes. I can close that. I can close this. I can close this. Okay, this is the code for the octopus. Okay, we have this functional movement that for the moment we're not going to touch. Now what I want is Now I just realized that I don't have a window. We have an attack, but we don't have a window. Huh. Yeah. Well, for the window, I could just do something. How am I using this? Wind down and wind up. Let me create this. Wind up. I'm going to just copy this. For the moment, I'm going to just use it like this. The prefix for window, what was it? When you, when the, okay. So I'm going to close that. So I squeeze it for this one. And for this one is wind up, wind you, Wii U. Okay, we have those. Now I just need to create the code for the attack. I'm going to place it here. This code probably can be improved a lot, but right now that's not the point. Okay. I believe you're going to stand up window when attack range. Is that the point is minor than attack range? Okay, so if I add an attack range to this guy, it already has an attack range. Okay, let's see. He's not really doing anything. Object player, color movement, state equals hunting. Okay, is there anything that switches to hunting? There isn't. Let me set it here. Over here. State on hit. We want this to change the state to hunting. And what I'm going to do is on the variables, I'm going to add more HP to this guy. Let's set this to 5. Okay. So if I go ahead and attack this guy, I should switch him to hunting. Hello? Let me enable the book. The book. Maybe I need to add this is just showing the paths. Let me see if I can add draw. Underscore text x, y, x3, x, comma, y, and y I'm going to set it to -10, 20, and I'm going to set to get underscore state GPU state, no, get underscore state get state prefix, and I'm going to pass state. Okay. Now we can see what he's doing right now. Now it's in state content. Something's wrong here. 1 second. Let's see. We're staying in state hunting. Okay. Is there anything on state hunting? We don't have a state hunting. Rather than hunting, let's switch it to attack. Just so we can see the actions. Oh, it is triggering. It's just very hard to see. Really? How many did I set exactly for the respawn? Oh, man. Okay. If I hit it, it does the attack animation. Okay. Ah. Yeah, it is working. It just is hard to see. Okay, we change to staying hunting on hit. Right now the distance for the attack range is maybe a bit too... Yeah, it's a bit too short. Let me make that a bit bigger. 64, let's set it to 120. 256. Right here. For attack range. Yeah, because I don't have a hunting state, it doesn't really work. Let me fix that. No, it should work, technically. Yeah, it does switch to wind up right here. Ah. There is the attack and going down. Now it's in hunting state. Yeah, it is working. It's just a bit hard to see with the because it doesn't have an actual AI. It's a bit hard to see the animation working. Okay. So we have that. Now I want to make the projectile. This guy's range fighter, so I need to make a bubble. So let me create a new group and let's call this project. Is that how you write projectile? Hold on a second. How do you type projectiles? Not that way, it seems. Like this. Okay. And let's make a sprite. Sprite underscore bubble. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to make a circle. Like so. And not from that color. Probably more something like this color. I'm going to fill it with white, but not like that. Like this. Like that, and this layer I'm going to set it to transparent to about 20. And then we can make a new layer, and this is going to be something like this. Does that look like a bubble to you? What do you think? Yeah? No? Try again? Yes? Okay. Then let me copy this. It's an okay bubble. Let me add... How about some 4 frames? Let's just say 4 frames. Okay, I'm going to collapse this. And copy. And I'm going to go down by 4 here. Like so. And then we walk back to the normal size. And we go back by 4 again. And that looks like that, which is awful. Let me go down on speed. That looks nice. What do you think? Looks nice? Okay, nice. So now that we have that, let me call this, make a folder. Let's call this bubble. And put that in there. And I need to create an object. First, I need to rename this. What was the name of down here? Projectile. This one. Okay, and we create an object. Object. That's going to be object underscore of bubble. And we're going to add the sprite projectile bubble. Okay. Now that we have that, we are going to have a direction. Actually, I need a generic object. Generic object. We are going to call this object underscore projectile. Okay. So our projectile is going to have a damage. Minimum, let's set it as 0. Integer. We will also need direction the projectile is going. This is going to be a type expression. And we will use there dot none as the basic. What else do we need? We need a speed. Hold on, what's the building speed variable for? Let me check on code. Hold on a second. Speed. What are you for? Speed and acceleration are two different things. Speed is a constant movement. Acceleration is going faster and faster. So they are technically different. Okay, let's see. Speed. Speed. What is this? How many pixels there is move every speed? Unlike speed and break speed, speed has no direction associated with this, covered by direction value of the instance. But it can have a negative value. Okay. Okay. No, not acceleration. I'm just going to say the basic speed. Okay. That means for this bubble, I don't need to add the speed variable, it already exists. The direction is annoying. But I just noticed there is something here calling vertical speed and horizontal speed. Okay, so I can use this one. HP, speed and vertical speed. Okay. So I'm going to add events. A step. Okay. Okay, let's see. So what I'm going to do is add a switch. For direction and is still done none. In this case, we simply are going to set speed equals to 0. In case is direction dot right, we are going to set horizontal speed I want to set it to 1 times speed of the player. And when we're going to go left, I'm going to set this to left times speed multiplier, but this is going to be minus. And we're going to make one for down. Down, this is going to be vertical speed times 1 versus multiplier. And up is going to be this in negative times speed multiplier, and speed multiplier is going to make this variable here, I'm going to make it an integer with default value of 1. I don't want to make diagonal movements because the player can only move up, down, left and right. I don't want diagonals because that means there is an angle where you can get hit without you being able to do pretty much anything. Which I believe was one of the details I wanted to fix from the original game, from the original Zelda, that you could have diagonal projectiles. Yeah. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here is on the parents I'm going to assign from objects generic projectile. That means now we have all this information. In damage I'm going to set it this to 1, direction none, multiplier 1. Okay. Now with the octopus right here, I'm going to make an inheritance right here because on the original I believe I have this. We have after the attack we enter a window, but extra we're going to do this. Switch case state, case state the attack. What I'm going to do is simply spawn instance create I believe that's the correct function. Let me check what is this. Let's see. Create instance create layer. Okay, like this. This is the structure. Okay. So we're going to do it like this. Okay, X and Y, I'm going to need to get what was that function I made? Melee? Get melee front. Bar position equals this. And then we just say position on X, position on Y. Instance is going to be object underscore bubble. Wait, no. 1 second. Layer ID, okay. So this instance needs to match our layer that would be from a map. Let me grab one as an example. That would be, for example, this one, instances. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. Over here. Object bullet, object underscore bubble. And speed is going to be not specified. Direction is going to be your dir is going to be the same as the monster, so direction is going to be the same as direction. In theory, that should be enough for it to create a bubble. Let's see. Okay, if I attack this guy. Ah. 1 second. It's because I changed the state. Wait 1 second. I need to switch when attacked on hit state content to attacking. Okay. So if I hit this guy, there it is, the bubble that flew into the horizon. It's working. It kinda looks perfect actually. The issue is that it's not quite centered. So that's an issue with the sprites right here. I need to fix this to middle center. So now if I attack, poof. It looks pretty good, I would say. What do you think? Does it look nice? Looks good? Ah, I killed it. Okay. Now that we had that, there is one more thing I need to add. Basically, over here to the projectile, I need to add a new event. That would be from the other class. Where is outside room? I'm just going to set it to auto-destruct. Instance underscore destroy. So we don't have some bubbles outside of the play area. Just wandering about. Okay, now I need to create some collisions. Okay, so basically I need to have this guy in a constant attack. What was my attack parameters again? One attack is damage. The next one, this one is X. This is Y. The third argument is damage type. And the fifth argument is knockback. Just so I can remember what's up. So damage, that's easy. Rather than sending, whatever. So this one is going to be simply damage. Then we have position, X and Y. So we can set it to X and Y. And next we have damage type. This one I think I'm going to make it damage type dot shockwave. And finally knockback, I'm going to set it to 2 for now. Let's see, does that work? I wonder. Aurelian hits this, no set before int. Okay. I need to create a new thing right here. I believe I just need to check this guy. Yeah, this one. For the projectiles. Hold on. That means also need to set the other stuff before I forget. Other create cleanup. Okay, cleanup right here. Just to be sure. Whoa! Watch out! That's dangerous. Did you see that? That looks deadly. So if I let it hit me, what will happen? Ah, just a single hit. It does quite a bit of damage, depending on when it hits you. Yeah, I broke the barrels. Wow. Look at that. That looks awesome. Okay. I need the attack script. Maybe to add few modifications. Actually, I can use the interrupt, maybe. If attack. We said state equals state dot dying. State dot dying. Okay, I just need to call the get the sprite. And set sprite underscore index. So this we need to set speed to 0. Actually, I can switch this one. Case state idle. Actually, let me put it over here. Function set speed. Right direction. Just so we don't have too much clutter. Let's call this to update. piece over here. Okay. Let's see. That should work. I just need to create a... Okay, we have enemies over here. How am I handling the death of the Octo? I don't have a data for the Octo. Okay. Denoms, tell me what? Tallinn is DYG. Okay. Okay, that means I can set here the deer equal deer dot none. We get that, and for the bubble, I'm just going to make a duplicate for this one. We'll call this Tallinn underscore the one for non-what-is and none for direction. None is just n. Okay. So this is going to be Tallinn underscore n. Okay. Why are you complaining exactly? Okay, let's check it out. So we attack. Ah, it crashed. Oh, because we don't have a state. Okay. So here I need to add a new variable, state. We will make it an expression. And the default state, I'm going to make it idle. Idle. Okay. Ah, character name. Asset for name. Okay. Maybe I should hold on a second. Can I remove this one for now? I'm going to set this thing to inherit from entity parent. Nothing chance, cooldown, direction none, state, key, double, log. We have a damage, a direction. The direction we already have it, so I can remove that one. The speed multiplier. Okay, that looks good. The grade for this thing, what does it have? Let's see, what's this? Deadly destroy on cleanup. Okay, that's it. No respawn time. Okay, I'm going to override this one. Yeah. Destroy has drops. I'm going to override this one. So keep it clean. Outside room. And the book, I'm going to leave it like that for now. Yeah, I'm using a lot of variables. Okay. Now that we have that, in theory, hold on a second, I need to set the name. I'm going to call this one bubble. Direction on, stay idle, HP, nothing chance, okay. Let's go. So if I hit this guy... Ah. Whee! I need to make the projectile a little bit farther away from the enemy. So on animation end, melee from what's exactly? I'm going to grab this distance and I'm just going to move it over here. And that way I can set the distance over here. So I just move this one, this distance from there to here, so I can edit the distance over here. So aquí in melee front, here in melee front, I can just set this to 32. Okay, so if I hit this guy, there we go. The bubble stayed there because I didn't set the dying animation. So we go back and to the bubble, not this one. And I need to set an animation end. On animation ends. Other animation ends. Okay. Yes, we only need to make it pop. Switch. State. On the state of dying. Case. State dot dying. Break. I want to set it to instance. Destroy. That way it will self-destruct at the end of the animation, this animation right here. So let's make the animation. Do we start here? we shrink it. We can probably shrink it more. I can probably go down again. Okay, and now I'm going to kill this frame, add a few more. You're going to grab this, and what I'm going to do is just grab a line right here, and I'm just going to make lines like this. I hope this looks like I think it will look. And I'm not making just random stuff. Okay, so I'm going to copy this and set it over here. And what I'm going to do is just delete piece by piece. So from here, I'm just going to delete the center and the outside. From here, this much. And that does this. I can set this to 8 frames per second. Okay, then I can grab this. It kinda looked like an eye. Okay, I think that looks fairly well. Let's see how it looks in game. So if I go and hit this guy. It's not that as powerful as I was hoping, but it works. It can already kill the slimes. Maybe I need to add a little bit of a flare to the explosion. So I can close that one. I can close these ones. I need the object for this guy. Okay. Projectile is inheriting quite a lot of stuff here. On step we're not updating. I don't know why this guy is complaining. Whatever. Okay. I want here when we attack. Here I want a little screen shake. So let me check the code for the player. I believe I have a little screen shake here on hit. Yeah, this one. Right here, this screen shake. So I want to go down to the bubble. And I'm going to add an inherent. Switch. State. Case. State. Dot. Dying. Break. Actually, not here. Hold on, not here. Or we do want it. Hold on, let me go over here. On the step right here, I'm going to add a shake. And I'm just going to add a check. Shake. Then we do this. And we go over here and shake. This is going to be a boolean. And over here on the bubble, I can set this to true. way when we go over here and I hit this, the explosion feels more impactful, right? Right? That feels like has more weight. Ah. And I can probably add a little bit more health to this guy. Let's set it to 10. Just to test. Well, if you want me to specify, I'm not really. I don't really know. I literally just made this attack from nothing. It doesn't really do that much damage, to tell you the truth. If you stand here, it doesn't really hurt that much. It's just a little hit. It could be enough to knock you into a hole, maybe. If you're not careful. It could push you into a hole fairly easily, I would say. For example, right here, if you are standing here, it can knock you into the hole. Now that I think about it, though it seems like the slimes are a bit broken right now. I want to check if the slimes actually could trigger the attack. Ah. What do you think about the attack? Does it look nice? Does it look weird? It's not? Not nice? Very nice? Kinda nice? Awful? Doesn't work? It works. It's ugly. Do it again. Is a new enemy? Yeah. Okay, let's see. That means we have finished the attack. We made the bubble. We need to make a wandering and a hit animation. Hit, dead, and fall. So many stuff to do. What to do? Should I continue or should I stop here for today? I feel like I made good progress with the game. The octopus still doesn't have an AI, but it's good progress. Michael? Yeah, I think I made good enough progress. Wow. Did the octopus just kill the the slime just because? Wow. Okay, I think I'm going to stop here and maybe I'm going to play some Elden Ring. I kinda want to continue the game. Shall I switch to that? Okay. Let me close this then. Okay. Because I want to keep the streams separate, I'm going to start a new stream. Just so I don't mix stuff. I don't mix don't mix the streams. So I'm going to close this stream and create a new one for the Elden Ring one. Okay. Let me then end this stream real quick. Okay. I'm going to switch to the end screen and I will see you in a couple minutes. Probably a few seconds. Whoa! this was surprisingly dramatic. Okay. Okay, I will see you in a few minutes. Lemao,